head over the ball. Knew that if he found the gap, he'd find the boundary.
Domestic circuit. Oh, what a shot there. And Zeph is playing a spinner.
What I liked about this, I think he realised it was going to be full, so he approached, he created a little bit of extra pace coming at the bowler. Once again, so well balanced on contact.
Trying. Mavi now made a name for himself in the Under-19 World Cup.
Pitch this one.
Oh, once again, banging it short, and that's pulled away.
Interesting, he went with full pace deliveries on all of them as well. That's why just a little feather on it, why it's flown so quickly.
5 deliveries left in this over. There's been a big over, and that big over continues with a big shot.
And then I think in his mind he's going, right, Marvy's not going to be short to me now. He's probably going to try and get it a little bit fuller. And if he thought that, he got himself into the perfect position. Had some width to use his hands through the ball.
Once again, straight as an arrow. Lovely shot.
Still has 3 deliveries to go in this over because there was a couple of no balls at the start. And all of a sudden the road safety 11 looking for big overs early doors are getting them.
Oh, once again, flicking that one. Wristy shot. Must be wondering, Yuvraj Singh, what to do.
Yeah, he's thinking, how are we going to get out of this over? Still 2 deliveries to go. Marvy deciding to come back over the wicket on this occasion, but it pitched outside leg. It didn't do too much. It really was.
Oh, trying to... Once again, a no ball. Not a bad ploy against both the left-handers. Getting an off-spinner. Oh, straight down the ground. What a shot, safety 11.
And would you believe it? The required run rate now is down underneath.
And with Shreyas Iyer and Suresh Raina to come, Manoj Tiwari has decided safe not to put his pads on for the moment. So Manoj, I'm going to come.
More useful, I believe.
That spin hit, that's huge. Ishan Kishan has hit.
Yeah, that's right. The kind of shots he's playing right now, we know that how capable he is of hitting big sixes, and that's the talent which he possesses, and this in IPL as well.
And here comes one, watch out! And it's great to have the youngsters mixing with the veterans. Ishan Kishan hitting old Bhaji.
Yeah, that's what that's what happens in T20. Tonking all the experienced bowlers, and bowlers have very little margin to bowl in this good cause. And it's very important to go the message across to the people that
one shot of a well-deserved 50. Wanted to go for a big one, but mistimes it, gets a single, will celebrate his 50. Striking the ball. There he goes again. Stand and deliver, Yuvraj Singh, he misses it.
He got it in there perfectly, did Bumrah, steering into the stumps. Had to use his wrist to keep it out, did Kishan. But
goes for it again, missed. Oh, another shot.
Road safety 11 making it very unsafe for the spectators, and because of this man specifically, Ishan Kishan.
Oh, goes over the top, this time reverse. Is it in the crowd? Yeah.
From Ishan Kishan, cool as ever. He tried it during the power play against Harbhajan Singh. He gets into position. His head is very still at the point of impact. And even
from Ishan Kishan. Strikes it hard. Long on coming across.
in rhythm.
Oh, smacks it over. That's well bowled.
India Full toss, beats the fielder.
Well bowled.
Birthday boy, Krunal Pandya. What kind of a gift is he giving him?
6 sixes so far. Once again, big one. Not time well. Like this.
We are all amazed at what this guy can do, Ishan Kishan. Again, we won't call it poor bowling. It's just extraordinary batting from both of these batsmen. Some extraordinary shots have been played today.
Once again, going for the... Once again, helping that one. Man, the D low down. He's getting up. But he hasn't missed opportunity. 238. His strike rate going once again down the ground.
Set plans. Otherwise, he wouldn't be in such hurry.
But he's really... Oh, once again. That's not big, that's huge. Kishan very clean hitting. Last ball previous over. Once again, flatter delivery. Got into it, that one, and that went sailing over. Miles over the skirting.
Was it a bit of frustration from Krunal Pandya? He tried to supporting such event. Well played.
And that is 100. Well played, Ishan Kishan. He has been very impressive. It's been a brilliant knock from Ishan Kishan. The southpaw, the left-hander. 100 of just 42 deliveries. And applauded, appreciated by one and all. Oh, he wants to finish in style. And once again, down the pad line, trying to mix his pace. Let's go.
Amazing hitting, I mean, Ishan especially. Oh, look at this. I mean, it's amazing.
Play in the same team, be it for national colours or for Mumbai or of course in Vadodara. This is a rare occasion where you're battling against each other. That was some battle out there. Tell me who won in the end.
But yeah, this was something where we got to know. It was something very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, it's been his day. He's been going everything up.
Side of things.
Down the leg side, that's not a great delivery. He's got going all the time. Once again, one-handed. What a strike into the stands.
Thinking as well. And still with a little bit more flair and style. How much harder can I make it for myself? Oh, I'm just going to go with one hand now as well. But again, that just goes to show how balanced he is as well.
Oh, he finishes in style. What a shot. And winning by 10 wickets. Row safety.